Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Myself Tanvi Patel, working as assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Subject is IoT and applications, and unit number 2 is sensors, microcontrollers and their interfacing. So today our content are sensor interfacing and types of sensors. So first is, what is a sensor? A sensor is a device that is able to detect changes in an environment. By itself, a sensor is useless, but when we use it in an electronic system, it plays a key role. It plays a major role. A sensor is able to measure a physical phenomena like temperature, pressure and so on, and transform it into an electrical signal. So why sensor is being used? It is being used to transfer the electrical signal by measuring the physical phenomena like temperature, pressure, etc. Now here, these three features should be at the base of a good sensor. By selecting a good sensor, you should always know their features. So first one is, it should be sensitive to the phenomena that it measures. Second, it should not be sensitive to other physical phenomena. And third one, it should not modify the measured phenomena during the measurement process. So first is, it should be sensitive to the phenomena that it measures. The thing which it measures, it should be sensitive. Second point, it should not be sensitive to the other phenomena. And the third one, when it is measuring, it should not modify what it has been measured. Next, there is a wide range of sensors we can exploit to measure almost all the physical properties around us. A few common sensors that are widely adopted in everyday life, including thermometers, pressure sensor, light sensors, accelerometer, gyroscopes, motion sensors, gas sensors and many more. Now next, a sensor can be described using several properties. The most important are, first is range, second one is sensitivity and third one is resolution. So first is range. In range, the maximum and minimum value of the phenomena that the sensor can measure is being measured in range. In sensitivity, the minimum change of the measured parameter that causes a detectable change in output signal. And third one, resolution, the minimum change in the phenomena that the sensor can detect. Now next is sensor classification. It can be grouped using several criteria. First one is passive or active. Passive sensors do not require an external power source to monitor an environment, while active sensors require such a source in order to work. Next, another classification is based on the method used to detect and measure property, that is mechanical, chemical, etc. And now next one is analog and digital. In analog sensor, it produces an analog or continuous signal, while in digital sensor it produces a discrete signal. Now next is importance of sensor in IoT. Different types of application require different types of sensors to collect data from the environment. In an IoT ecosystem, two things are very important: the internet and the physical device like sensors and actuators. So, as shown in figure, the bottom layer of the IoT system consists of sensors, connectivity and network to collect information. This layer is an essential part of the IoT system and has network connectivity to the next layer, which is the gateway and the network layer, which is shown in the figure. The main purpose of sensor is to collect data from the surrounding environment. Sensors, or think of the IoT system, form the front end. Next, these are connected directly or indirectly to IoT network after signal conversion and processing. But all sensors are not the same and different IoT applications require different types of sensors. So, for instance, digital sensors are straightforward and easy to interface with a microcontroller using serial peripheral interface, that is SPI bus. But for analog sensors, either analog to digital converter, that is ADC, or sigma delta modulator is used to convert the data into SIP output. Now next are common types of IoT sensors. So some common types of IoT sensors are temperature sensor, humidity sensor, motion sensor, gas sensor, smoke sensor, pressure sensor, image sensor, accelerometer sensor, IR sensor and proximity sensor. So first one is the temperature sensor. This device measures the amount of heat energy generated from an object or surrounding area. They find application in air conditioner, refrigerator and similar devices used for environmental control. They are also used in manufacturing processes, agriculture and health industries. These temperature sensors can be used almost in every IoT environment, from manufacturing to agriculture. In manufacturing, sensors are used to monitor the temperature of machines. In agriculture, this can be used to monitor the temperature of soil, water and plants. Temperature sensors include thermocouples, thermistors, resistor, temperature detector and integrated circuit, that is ICs. Now next is humidity sensor. The amount of water vapor in air or humidity can affect human comfort as well as many manufacturing processes in industries. So, monitoring humidity level is important. Most commonly used unit for humidity measurement are relative humidity, that is RH, dew frost point, that is DFPT and parts per million, that is ppm. Next is motion sensor. In motion sensor, they are not only used for security purposes but also in automatic door controls, automatic parking system, automated sinks, automated toilet flushers, hand dryers, energy management systems, etc. You use these sensors in the IoT and monitor them from your smartphone or computers. HC SR501 passive integrated sensor is a popular motion sensor for hobby objects. Now next is the gas sensor. These sensors are used to detect toxic gases. The sensing technologies most commonly used are electrochemical, photoionization and semiconductor. With technical advancement and new specification, there are a multitude of gas sensors available to help extend the wired and wireless connectivity deployed in IoT applications. Next is the smoke sensor. Smoke sensors have been in use in homes and industries for quite a long time. With the advent of the IoT, their applications has become more convenient and user-friendly. Furthermore, adding a wireless connection to smoke detector enables additional feature that increases safety and convenience. Next is pressure sensor. These sensors are used in IoT system to monitor systems and devices that are driven by pressure signals. When the pressure range is beyond the threshold level, the device alerts the user about the problem that should be fixed. For example, BMP180 is a popular digital pressure sensor for using in mobile phones, PDAs, GPS navigation devices and outdoor equipments. Pressure sensors are also used in smart vehicles and aircraft to determine force and altitude respectively. In vehicles, Tire pressure monitor system, that is TPMS, is used to alert the driver when tire pressure is too low and could create unsafe driving condition. Now next is the image sensor. These sensors are found in digital cameras, medical imaging system, night vision equipment, thermal imaging device, radars, sonars, media housing and biometric system. In the retail industry, these sensors are used to monitor customer visiting the store through IoT network. In offices and corporate buildings, they are used to monitor employees and various activities through IoT networks. Next is accelerometer sensor. These sensors are used in smartphones, vehicles, aircrafts and other applications to detect orientation of an object, shake, tap, tilt, motion, positioning, shock or vibration. Different types of accelerometers include half effect accelerometer, capacitive accelerometer and piezoelectric accelerometers. Next is IR sensors. This sensor can measure the heat emitted by objects. They are used in various IoT objects including healthcare to monitor blood flow and blood pressure, smartphones to use as remote control and other functions, wearable devices to detect amount of light, thermometers to monitor temperature and blind spot detection in vehicle. Next is proximity sensor. This sensor detects the presence of or absence of a nearby object without any physical contact. Different types of proximity sensors are inductive, capacitive, photoelectric, ultrasonic and magnetic. These are mostly used in object counters, process monitoring and controls. So these all are the types of sensor which are being used in different purposes in IoT. Now next is how to use sensors in IoT. The development of prototyping board and the low price of sensor allow us easily use them in IoT projects. There are several prototyping boards on the market suited for different projects depending on features and specifications. In this context, we will consider the two most popular boards, that is the Arduino Uno and the Raspberry Pi 2. It is important that every sensor has its own operating voltage range. This parameter is very important because the voltage supplied by the board must not be higher than the maximum voltage allowed by the sensor. This is the very important point for using the sensors while developing or creating the board or soldering on the board. This is the very important point which should be considered while operating the board and while operating the sensors. Thank you.